Okay, this is a quick reaction video. I got a message from someone, just a voice note of a DOS member lamenting, and he asked a question that I'm here to answer. Okay, remember, we are not here to about the war. We are not here to attack anybody. We don't support any violence at all. What we do is to air our own opinion on issue at hand, and some of you don't like it because maybe you like drama. We are not here for drama. Okay, so before we start, I want to encourage you to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you have not, and comment, of course. Tell us what you think about what the video is all about. Now hear this audio message from a DS member and tell me what you think about it. Just listen.
Igbo ndị ọma ekele m na onye ọbụla zere na kochi Maazị Chima here, all protocols fully observed. Nna echechala m ihe a Ekperima kwuru here.
When you hear Ekperima, the man is trying to address PM, different Prime Minister, and what he wants to address on is the reason why we are here. Now listen.
Can make a sense out of it, but I'm struggling. Somebody can help me.
Okay.
Somebody can help me. If a mere na Ekperima jikwe na we content creator, n'obodo enwere justice, enwere fairness, and enwere equity. Ka Ekperima si na a content creator. Nna juzi onwe m. What of Ekperima nweta onwe na Nigeria? Kezi ihe ọ ga-asị? Ebe a na-enweghị justice, ebe a na-enweghị equity, ebe a na-enweghị fairness.
Just a moment. I'm trying to see if I can add some value to that. Just give me a moment. Let me get it done properly, because I don't want to miss any part of the video. Although it's not even too long. Okay, it's not too long. Let's continue.
Ebe a na-enweghị fairness, ebe ihe niile wụ upside down, ka ihe ọ ga-ekwu. Ekperima nweta onwe na DSS dungeon, ebe onye isi anyị nọ for how long now? Kwechiri na-apịasụ Nigerian system, na-apịasụ Nigeria foundation, na-apịasụ George, na-apịasụ federal government. Ka ihe Ekperima ga-emezi. Ihe wụ kemgbe 2021 ka kidnap onye isi anyị. It's getting to 4 years now. 4 good years kemgbe kidnap nwa amadi a. Mana o give them up. Nwebe mgbe ọ tụlele ma ọwụ chenjie, pụta na kọtụ chenjie na-ekwuzi ka oke mmiri mara. Ọ mgbada nọ n'ọnụ agụ. Instead ọ na-apa na-apịasụ. Anyị niile hụrụ otu o si gwa Binta Nyako nyeri ya bell before sini ya trust zihuye without fear. Ekperima nweta onwe na this position ka ihe a ga-ekwu, ka ihe ọ ga-ekwuzi. Na onye nwere answer nwere ike help m. Ndewo.
Okay, you have heard him, right? The truth of the matter is that one thing I have against you is one of the things that make me feel like there are something else is this kind of people. They have a lot of people like this. First thing first, PM did not say that he's a content creator. And I will tell you, I was not there. Okay, I wasn't in the court. I don't have anybody there, but I will tell you why I don't believe that he did not say that. When they kidnapped Master Namorokano at first time, I mean this last one that he's still in their detention, when they kidnapped him. How many of you remember that Nigerian government came out with this kind of idea or lies that Master Khan have denied being a leader of IPB? You remember? You don't remember, right? If you remember, please put it on comment section. One of the things they said after the kidnapping of Master Khan is in the court that they asked him, "Are you the leader of IPOB?" They use proscribed just to create fear and anxiety in the minds of their friends, to trigger you to feel like, oh, if your leader can deny this, who are you to stand it? So they said that he denied being IPOB member. It was trending. It trended for some time. In fact, the same thing they did now, or they're doing now, claiming that PM said that he's a content creator. They did it to Master American. Funny enough, people who should know better, they are the ones sharing it. Look at the question that this guy is asking. Don't tell me he's not an Igbo. He's an Igbo. Because next thing now you say, oh, don't mind, he's a Fulani Igbo. He's not a Fulani man. He's an Igbo man. Okay? He's not a Fulani man. He's an Igbo man. But you will have people who are head-bent with the stupidity. They don't care about what they're saying, or what they don't care about how you perceive what comes out from their mouth. They always have an answer to everything. But they forgot the main issue, which is this thing that you are defending. Has it happened before? Can you tell us what this thing could be? Is it true? Is it false? They don't want to ask that question, but they want to focus on anything that will bring the image of PM to dustbin. They don't want to hear his name at all, whether it's coming from those whom they perceive as an enemy, or it's from people who they claim they are genuine actually. They don't care. All they want is whether it comes from devil, whether it comes from God, as long as you're going to portray PM as a bad person or a negative individual, they will buy into that idea and they will share it massively. He admitted that his leader, Master Mekano, is in DSS dungeon. Yet, he failed to understand the elements that put Master Mekano's freedom in jeopardy. He don't care to analyze what was the initial argument or initial reason why Nigerian government said they kidnapped Master Mekano in the first place. What was his offense? After the kidnapping of Master Mekano, what happened? What was the body language? Are they still remember? I don't know if it's possible. Can this man, for example, tell us if he's still aware or still record that Bazin Namodekano they covered his face? That at the initial time when they want to give press briefing about his kidnapping, that the language they use happened to be a Fulani or Hausa language. Nothing like Pidgin English or English language. They refuse. The people who are still holding Master Kano today are those who claim the tribe, that claim they are the owner of the federal government, owner of Nigeria. I'm going to say, this is the raw truth I'm telling you now. We all believe that Igbo governors should have done better. Are they helping matters? No. But even when they want to help, it's going to be difficult for them. Why? The people holding Master Nnamdi Kanu is not just Igbo politicians. Yes, they do contribute, but believe it or not, the real people that are holding Master Kanu are the Oga of those you see as your Oga. What do I mean by that? Igbo governors are answerable to some people, and those who they are answerable to are the one holding Master Nnamdi Kanu. Meaning that for an Igbo man as a governor of any state or a senator to air his opinion must put his political career in danger, because the Northerners have vowed, they have sworn within themselves that Master Kanu will be there, and they want to see him by. Why? They see him as the only person who understand the agenda of Osman Danfodio. He is the only person that opened the eyes of people that were, of people whom they see as their prey. Like People they see all of us as food that is there to take. The only person that would awaken our consciousness, and not only Igbo, so I'm talking about the entire federation. They see that person on Master Monokan. The Master Monokan is the only man that made it possible for them not to be able to achieve what they intend to achieve. What I'm saying now is somehow you may not understand it, you may not have time to key into the reasons why this is the way it is. But why I'm making this video is because of the fact that those who said, "Oh, I am not a Nigerian, no, I am not a Biafran, and I am working under the US," are the one telling you, celebrating, when the same problem they're facing as an IPOB member who they claim they are, which I doubt, but that's the truth for another day. He see his enemy as a friend because the enemy is against PM. That simply means that you yourself is enemy to yourself because you lack wisdom and you are unable to comprehend what you have known without anybody teaching you. Something that is as simple as ABCD. But they want somebody to lecture them on that. By so doing, they have opened doors for people who they claim that they are enemy to penetrate in and make mock of them. Tell me what you think about this. I would like to hear from your conversation. God bless you and see you again. Bye-bye for now.